SERATEC is an ISO-certified manufacturer of forensic test kits that detect human body fluids. Various products for both laboratory and crime scene testing are available to meet the sophisticated requirements of crime laboratories. The lateral flow technology enables fast, direct, and very sensitive sample screening for the presence of human-specific biomarkers of body fluids. With these extensively validated and field-proven SERATEC products, forensic scientists will be able to detect body fluids as a source of DNA profile. PSA Semi-Quant, a semi-quantitative test for the detection of human seminal fluid via prostate-specific antigen. HemDirect, a highly sensitive qualitative test for the detection of human blood via human hemoglobin. PMB Test, a unique duplex test for the differentiation between peripheral and menstrual blood via the simultaneous detection of human hemoglobin and D-dimer. Amylase Test, a qualitative test for the detection of human saliva via alpha amylase. All human-specific biomarker tests are offered in robust large cassette format. They are packaged as ready-to-use kits with a DNA-free buffer solution. All products are compatible with the microscopic sperm search as well as the DNA extraction techniques. All kit components are storable at room temperature and easy to handle in the laboratory. Additionally, we produce SERATEC Amylase paper that is a filter paper kit for the localization of latent saliva stains. It is used as a direct mapping tool and delivers results in as fast as 10 minutes. The application of the amylase paper can be combined with ALS, semen mapping, other human-specific biomarker tests, as well as DNA analysis. SERATEC amylase paper is available in different sizes, which makes the mapping of small and large pieces of evidence possible. And now we will show you how to run your human-specific SERATEC body fluid test in a nutshell. Place your sample, a swab or cutout, into a vial with the SERATEC dilution buffer that is included in the kit. After a short incubation time, take only 120 microliters of the extract and pipette onto the sample well of the SERATEC cassette. The fluid will flow through the membrane, and the human-specific body fluid protein marker in the sample will react with the monoclonal antibodies that are specific to this biomarker. In case of a positive reaction, a visible line will appear in only a few minutes. This line indicates the presence of the body fluid in question. This is a fast and inexpensive yet reliable and accurate method of triaging forensic evidence. For more details, please check our PDF download section and the video tutorials on YouTube. The extract in the dilution buffer and the reacted SERATEC cassette from a body fluid detection kit remain a considerable source of DNA. This is an enormous advantage if only little evidence material is available. Open the SERATEC cassette and remove the test strip. Then, cut the sample pad from the strip. The sample pad has absorbed much of the original sample and can be used for DNA extraction. The test results can also be documented and objectively quantitated by the SERATEC SERAQuant reader. This unique device removes uncertainty of the decision by the naked eye and calculates the concentration of the body fluid biomarker. Interested? We invite you to watch our SERAQuant video